Hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to improve watch time. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do. So as you see, I've had some videos do good in recent past, and that's because I think I figured out how to increase my watch time on my page. So if we go ahead and click on this post right here, and I go into more insights, you'll see that 30% out of the 52K people that have watched this video have watched the entire thing, and the average view time is 13.5 seconds. And how to increase this, I just have a couple of different sort of things that I could say to increase it. So you want to start out the video with something strong that essentially tells the audience exactly what they're going to be watching for the rest of the video. And another thing that I like to put in that not a lot of people talk about is there needs to be a cut around every 3 seconds. Let me just make sure I'm not sharing my audio here. 1, 2, 3. And if I wasn't lagging, my screen's lagging right now because my internet's having some issues, but if my internet wasn't having issues, you'll see that there's a cut on one of my videos. There's a cut in my videos around every 3 to 5 seconds, and that's just going to keep people engaged. And also, I like to get rid of the black background in the back to kind of keep people's eyes occupied, and also add captions to almost all of my videos, so that way people's retention, or attention spans, are kind of triggered constantly, so that way they choose to watch longer or don't even think about scrolling. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.